What if you could naturally lift and sculpt your face, right from the comfort of your home? With just your hands and a smooth gua sha stone, you'll learn a powerful massage trick that naturally lifts and tones your skin in just minutes a day. In this video, we will guide you step by step through a calming massage ritual that's perfect for all ages. Simple, soothing, and truly transformative. Watch this transformation, all done with just your hands and a smooth stone. If natural beauty and self-care speak to your soul, gently tap like and subscribe to join us. Gua sha increases circulation, encourages lymphatic flow, and smooths fascia, which may reduce puffiness and improve skin tone over time. You'll be using slow upward strokes with your fingers and a gua sha tool to gently guide your skin upward, retraining the muscles beneath. Start by applying a few drops of facial oil. Warm it between your palms, then press gently into your skin. Repeat these steps at least 3 times to see results. With your fingers, sweep gently from your brows up toward your hairline. This releases tension and smooths the brow. Now use your tool and draw it slowly upward, feeling the stone glide along the contours of your forehead. Start by using your fingers to softly sweep from the inner corner of your eye out toward the temple. This helps reduce puffiness and refresh tired eyes. Then follow the same motion with your gua sha tool using gentle pressure. Pause any time to repeat the steps or to check that you're doing them correctly. Using both hands, lift your cheeks with soft circular motions, upward and outward, lifting and awakening the skin. With your stone, gently sculpt the cheeks upward toward your ears. Pause and breathe with each pass. Place your knuckles under your jaw and slowly lift along the bone. This tones the jawline and melts away tension. Follow with your tool, gliding from chin to ear. A moment of sculpting, a moment of self-care. Lift gently from the collarbone to the jaw, helping to support firmness and drain fluid build-up. Let the tool glide, like a wave lifting your skin from base to jawline. With regular practice, this ritual may reduce puffiness and bring a calm brightness back to your face. This motion softens the appearance of fine lines by encouraging circulation beneath the skin's surface. Use this technique a few times per week or daily as part of your quiet self-care ritual. Use a facial oil that suits your skin, jojoba for balance, rosehip for aging skin, or squalane for a lightweight touch. Always clean your tool with gentle soap and water and store it somewhere safe and dry. Set the scene. A towel, a candle, soft music. Let this time be sacred and just for you. Less is more. Light to medium pressure is all you need to help the skin release. This practice benefits all ages, genders, and skin types, from early 20s to mature skin. This technique is to tighten the jawline and softens the fine lines. As you open your mouth, breathe in. As you release, breathe out. You will feel your jawline tightens as it works. Working the eye muscles, place one hand just above your eyebrow and the other gently below your eye. Hold the skin steady while you softly squint, as if you're gently closing your eyes halfway. Hold for a few seconds, then relax, working the forehead. Place both palms gently on your forehead. Press inward and downward as you lift your eyebrows up. You'll feel gentle resistance. Hold this for 3 seconds, then release. Working around the lip area to help soften the fine lines around your lip. With clean hands, place your index finger on your upper lip and your thumb on your lower lip. Gently press them together, holding for 2 seconds, then release. It helps strengthen the lip muscles and reduce fine lines around the mouth. To see results, repeat all these movements at least 3 times to tone facial muscles and awaken tired muscles. In time, you may notice more lift, less puffiness, and a natural glow returning to your face. When you use both your hands and your gua sha tool together, you'll often notice a difference in just minutes. A little more lift, a little more glow. But like any good ritual, consistency is the real secret. The more you commit, the more your skin responds. Pair your routine with hydration, sleep, and nourishing foods to boost your glow from the inside out. Even subtle changes, like firmer cheeks or less puffiness, are signs your skin is responding beautifully. It's more than beauty. It's a moment of peace, a way to reconnect with yourself. Remember, start with a clean face, use the right oil, always lift, and clean your tool afterward. Each gentle stroke is an act of self-love, reminding you that beauty begins with how you feel inside. This video is for informational purposes only. Always consult a licensed professional for medical or dermatological concerns. You deserve to feel radiant. Subscribe and return anytime for more natural beauty rituals from the inside out. If you found peace and beauty in this moment, gently like and subscribe to support more calming rituals just like this one.